Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be researching order status. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to all the pages I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead comes from the company Majoral or Majoral, however you want to say that. They do have over 4,000 reviews on Glassdoor, and they have a rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a work from home remote customer order support rep. Now, this is remote for the United States. However, they are hiring in select states only. Those states are Arizona, Arkansas, Idaho, Iowa, Montana, Oklahoma, Tennessee, Texas, Pennsylvania, North Carolina, Georgia, Michigan, Ohio, Kentucky, Kansas, Virginia, and Florida. But if you're in one of those states, they're looking for somebody to provide first-class support to their clients' customer inquiries related to delivery management, shipping investigations, inbound returns, address changes, returns, or any other questions the customers have regarding their online orders. So this is going to be a customer service type job. You're going to assist the customers by answering all of their questions related to their order status, changes of delivery, time frames. This is going to be done through phone, email, and chat. You'll present to the public or the customers a strong working expertise in all the client-supported products now and in the future. You ensure that there is quality in your customer service interactions. They'll be measured by call quality reports and customer satisfaction surveys. If this sounds like something you are interested in, they're paying $17.31 an hour, plus they're going to offer paid training and a benefit package that's going to include tuition reimbursement and 401k with a match. They don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. Someone who has great communication skills, can be customer focused, someone who has a good typing ability and computer literacy with strong organizational skills, and someone who can be a problem solver. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.